Hi, it's Linda from Green Life Soils.
Lisa from the greenhouse.
And today we're talking about celery. Lisa's brought us in some beautiful punnets today.
Beautiful celery. Did you know, Linda, that celery is full of water? But in saying it's full of water, it does need a lot of water to grow as well.
It does, yep. So it's definitely a worthwhile thing to have in your veggie patch because, yeah, you can use it all year round, cooked or fresh. It does, as Lisa said, like a fair bit of water, so over summer in particular, keep it well watered and keep it in fertile soil. It will grow quicker and be more full of minerals for you to take in if you're growing it in a fertile veggie garden, say in Green Life Soils. So as far as its medicinal qualities, Lisa?
Yes, it's a diuretic, so if you're suffering from a little bit of bloating, then have some celery. In the morning, if you want a good start to the day, celery juice is magnificent if you can stand that much celery. You need to be about 600 ml of celery, which takes about a bunch to get the full benefits. And then if you just scull it so that it fills up your stomach, and it's very good for your stomach, very good for your hydraulic acid in your stomach. Also the seeds for it, it's in Vedic medicine. It's very good for it's a very good anti-inflammatory. So if you do have any inflammation, if you have a decoction of celery seed, it helps with that too. It helps ease the pain.
Great. As far as growing, it does need a bit of space because it can easily get to 1/2 metre to 75 centimetres tall, and it will tend to flop over and spread. So if you don't want that to happen, just loosely tie around the way the stems grow with some string to keep it upright. And you can also blanch the stems by putting something like cardboard or something like shade cloth loosely again, wrapping it around and tying the stems. Not so it rots, it does need airflow, but it will keep the light off the stems so they'll be whiter and slightly more tender. It's not essential, but it does, if you like the soft celery in your salads, it's probably a better way to go.
Absolutely. There's another thing that you can do with it. Once you pull it out to eat it, or you can leave it in the ground and just cut the stalks off. But if you cut the end off that's come out of the ground, you can actually plant that back in the ground and you will grow another celery plant.
You can regrow
Very
it.
versatile.
Absolutely, because you can have it as a microgreen as well, and use the young plants almost like parsley. You can eat the leaves.
Yeah, if you can, but if they get a bit older,
they get a bit bitter then. Yeah. But as young leaves, they work well.
But every part of the celery is beneficial for you.
Absolutely. So, grow some in your garden.